Hello and welcome to this CloudBlast tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to install Webmin on your Ubuntu 24.04 VPS. Let's get started. First, connect to your VPS via SSH. Then, install the necessary tools to add Webmin's repository and signing key. Once that's done, install Webmin with a single command. If you have a firewall, make sure to allow access to port 10,000. Webmin starts automatically, so just open your browser, go to your server's IP address followed by port 10,000, and log in with your server credentials. That's it. Webmin is installed and ready to help you manage your server. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and invite you to visit our website, cloudblast.io. Thanks for watching.